Oh guys, andito tayo ngayon sa Melbourne Botanical Garden, Australia of course. Tingnan nyo ang aking mga kasama ay mga tungkod na. See, ang ganda. Wow, nice place. Mag-walking tayo hanggang makarating tayo sa ating paroroonan. Oh, ganda. Pasok na tayo dito guys. Ito na. Makikita nyo yan. Ang ganda. Yes. Yep. Look at that. Nice. Sculptures. Oh. Wow. Children's garden. What? Look at that guys. Oh, kita nyo ba yan tree na yan? It's a tree.
Yeah,
wow.
There's a label if you want to know what it is.
Wow, look.
Do you want to know what it is, Manny?
It is
Yep.
one of these things.
Oh, what's that?
One of them.
Erythrina cristagale.
Coral tree.
Wow. Oh. Wow. Ganda ng view. Very peaceful. Wow. Oh. Wow, very nice. Oh.
Is it? Okay.
Wow.
I had one at Mount Separation.
Yeah, so
Beautiful. Yeah.
Yes. Nice view. Tingnan nyo guys, merong center island sa gitna. Siyempre, center. Siyempre, sa gitna talaga yan. Oh, nice. Oh, see? Ganda ng view. Oh. Wow. And what is this? Oh, nice. Yeah, lake as well. Yeah. Wow. Ganda talaga oh. Wow. Hindi ko lang malaman guys kung ilang kilometer to. Ang laki pala nito. Oh. Oh guys, andito tayo ngayon sa Botanical Garden ng Melbourne. Oh, ini-explore namin. Ang laki pala nito. Kailangan namin maglakad. Ewan ko lang kung ilang kilometer to. At ang aking mga kasama, oh, tatlo, ayun. Yep. Let's enjoy. At yan, guys, makikita nyo na ang city of Melbourne. Ayun. Ayan, oh. It's nice, isn't it? Wow. Nice view. Wow. Oh. Ayan na. Ayan na. Ang ganda. Wow. Ito guys, naliligaw na. Kung paano kami lalabas dito. Oh. Turn left, turn left, turn left.
Mulch.
Yes, you want some mulch? Oh. Wow, that's good for veggie garden. Wow. Wow. Yes, and very fine. Very fine. Nakapagod maglakad. Which way? Left or right? Right? Right daw. Oh, where's the map? Naliligaw na kami, guys. Wow.
Technology.
I know.
Wow. Nice, oh. Very pretty.
He's fine.
Very pretty.
Glad it's filling.
And look at that. Oh, wow. Ganda. Guys, nakatapos na kami ng aming journey sa Botanical Garden. Yes. Ngayon, dito na kami. Palabas na kami. Punta na kami sa aming car. Take note, hindi ito ang aming car. We are here. Children's Garden. But they are closed. And this is the bike. Wow, this is a good bike. Oh. Be! Layo mo na. Ito na ang labas, guys.
There's Latrobe.
What are the names of the theatres in
Princess is the only one
Majesty?
I
Her
know.
Majesty?
I only know the Princess.
Yeah.
As in the stage theatre.
Yeah.
Road trip. Oh, ayan. Road trip. Kasi nyo guys, napakalinis ng no pollution here in Australia.
Clean air.
Oh, very clean air. You're slow. Traffic jam.
Philippine style.
Philippine style daw. Meron din traffic dito, guys. Oh.
Except we're on the wrong side of the road.
Yes. Guys, itong building na to, napakapayat payat na payat. Yan. Wow. Payat na makapal. Payat na makapal daw.